Alrighty, guys, y'all see this? This is a Dodge Dart. Now, guys, it's been a while since I cried. I literally in tears. All right, yes, this Dodge Dart got me in tears. I'm doing heater hoses, but I also got to put a oil pressure sensor on this vehicle. Now, this is the 2.4 multi-air, as you can tell. Now, that sensor is inside of here. Let me see if I can get y'all a real good view. I might flip the okay, that is my sensor, but on this sensor is a connector. And guys, if that little red security tab, if the connector is turned an awkward way, oh my goodness, you're gonna be crying and fighting, because there's no way possible to release that release that safety mechanism and open that connector to pull it out. So do yourself a favor. No, better yet, do the next guy a favor. I had to get a angle head pry bar just to push down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I finally got an angle head pry bar up there to release this. Oh my goodness, right here. Now, when you do I'm gonna open it all the way because I'm scared of it at this point. Do yourself a favor. Do the next guy a favor. All right, don't close. Once you get the connect on, don't close this back in. If you hear this damn thing click into place, okay. Because that goes against everything I know and everything I say. All right, so I don't want to mislead anybody. Okay, so let's do it like this. Depending on the location, once you're done screwing this in place, depending on the location or where it end up at, don't push this in. If this end up in an awkward position, just push the connect in. Don't activate the security tab. Or you can do it this way. Don't let this end up in an awkward position. Okay, there's a torque spec to this, but use common sense. Damn. All right, some of y'all get carried away with anyway, use common sense. Screw this in. Make sure you in a fairly good position, because don't end up like this one was, and you can't get the damn security tab out. All right, so matter of fact, let me do this. All right, I got my oil pressure. Ta-da! My oil pressure socket. What's up, man?
What's up?
All right, it's weird. The socket that's on here doesn't match the sensor that's on here doesn't match my socket, so I had to readjust some things. So now let me get my ratchet. All right, guys, here's the old one. Like I say, this one don't matter because it's old. All right, here's my new one. Like I say, screw it in. Try to end up in a decent position. If you want to use this, you can get a feel for this connector. If this connector doesn't feel like it's worn out or it's not gonna latch, then yeah, use the lock mechanism in place. That's what it's there for, security reason. But depending on the position you in, use your judgment. All right, let me get this in. All right, here we go. Let's see where we end up at. Remember, this got Loctite on it, so I want to take a look. I don't want the next guy crying like I was, like a little biatch. Come out of here, socket. Let me see where the hell you ended up at. All right, here's my socket. Now, what did we end up at? Because I might have to make some adjustment. Let me go look. What y'all think? Is that a decent position? I can't really see. Oh yes. Oh yes. So now, because I'm in that position, I can actually use the lock security tab. Is what they call it. Let me get this on. Okay. not in the same position it came. Yep, I heard the click. Now I can activate. Ta-da! There you go. Let me show y'all. And there she go. Alright, got that in. Alright guys, be mindful of your the next guy to work on this damn thing. He gonna be crying if oh my goodness, I was a pain in the butt to get that off. Alright, I'm done. I had a P0520 or something like that, oil pressure code, and you're supposed to run an oil pressure test right there. This is not a PITA, so it's not on a cooler. You're supposed to stick a gauge in there and verify oil pressure is at specs, and if it is, then replace the sensor. A lot of us would just go right ahead and replace the sensor. I haven't been bit yet, so until I get burnt, I'm gonna keep doing it this way. So it's got a new sensor, oil pressure light should go off, verify the oil level, and you're good. Remember, this is a 2.4 multi-air, it takes 0W20 with a filter. So I'm gonna change the oil and do the filter. Hold on, y'all. Guys, I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.